This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Accessories of the skin, which includes sweat glands. These are widely distributed throughout the skin and are most numerous in the palms of the hand, soles of the feet, axilla and groins. They are formed from the epithelial cells. The sweat produced is clear, watery fluid, and it is important in regulating the body temperature. Hairs. Hairs are present on most of the skin surfaces except palm and palmar surface of the feet, sole, fingers, etc. Each hair is composed of a column of dead keratinized epidermal cells bonded together by extracellular proteins. The shaft is superficial portion of the hair which is outside the skin, and deeper parts of the hair includes root. The root is the portion of the hair which is deep in the skin and it penetrates up to dermis. Surrounding the root of the hair is the hair follicle, which is made up of external root sheath and internal root sheath. Sebaceous glands and the bundle of smooth muscles are associated with the hairs. Sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands consists of secretory epithelial cells derived from the same tissue as the hair follicle. They secrete an oily substance called sebum into the hair follicle. Sebum keeps hair soft and pliable and give it a shiny appearance. On the skin it provides some waterproofing and act as a bactericidal and fungicidal effect and prevent infection. Next accessory of the skin is erector pili. These are little bundles of smooth muscles. They are attached to the hair follicles. Contraction of these muscles make the hair stand erect like this and raise the skin around the hair, causing goose flesh. The muscles are stimulated by sympathetic nerve fibers in response to fear or cold. Here you can see these are the hairs. This is sebaceous gland and this is the muscle erector pili, which is responsible for goose flesh, and these are the sweat glands. Next one is nails. So nails are the plates of tightly packed, hard, dead keratinized epidermal cells that form a clear, solid covering over the dorsal surface of the distal portion of fingers or digits. Each nail consists of a nail body, a free edge, and the root. The root of the nail is embedded in the skin and is covered by cuticle. So this portion of skin is cuticle, which forms the hemispherical pale area called lunula. So there will be a pale area called lunula. The nail plate is exposed part of the that has grown out of the germinative layer inside. This part is known as nail plate, and below the plate there is nail bed. So this is the basic structure of our nails.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.